Good afternoon, dear students, and welcome back to our English class. Students, today in English, we are going to learn lesson 23 Computers. Children, do you know how did the first computer look like? Yes, it was quite huge. And did you know who invented this computer? It was none other than Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was a great mathematician and also a philosopher. Let us read the lesson. You have learnt the mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can do sums which involve any one or more of these operations. You may also solve complicated sums which involve all of these operations. Children, complicated sums means difficult sums. You can calculate the answers quickly if you use tables. So, you should learn tables by heart. But sometimes it is necessary to carry out very complicated calculations that involve very large numbers. Very large numbers means big numbers. At such times, mistakes are bound to occur in the calculations. Bound means tend to happen. Then you waste a lot of time checking and rechecking your answers. How can we avoid these errors and wastage of time? Your errors means mistakes. A computer is a machine that is an answer to all these problems. Computers can solve problems and carry out the most difficult calculations. Calculations are sums with amazing speed. Amazing speed means with great speed and accuracy. Accuracy means correctness. Computers can do several other things besides carrying out calculations. They can do several means many other things. In fact, there are few things that a modern computer is not able to do. Modern computer means new type of computers that are recently added. Computers have memory. Now children, what do you mean by computer memory? It is a system used to store information. That is, they can store a lot of data or information. They can keep words, pictures and sounds in their memory. That is, in their system. They can store a lot of things and give you the information within a fraction of seconds when you need. Fraction of seconds means very quickly. Computers can process the data or the information according to the instructions given to them. A modern computer can follow thousands of instructions within a fraction of seconds. Only the instructions have to be given in a language that the computer understands. A set of code instructions written for a computer is known as program. That is, a specific program instructions have been written for a computer. That is their computer language. Writing a computer program is a specialized task. Specialized task means a work activity a person undertakes specific to a job. A computer on its own does not make judgments about the instructions given to it. Judgment means the ability to make decisions. It follows the instructions blindly. That is why the instructions have to be written very, very carefully. The instructions must cover every step involved in an operation. Involved means required to do particular operations in the computer. If you miss a step, the computer will never correct you. That is, if you make any mistake in the computer is not going to correct it because it is blindly following the instructions given by you. One has to think carefully to imagine every step involved in any task. Let us see if we can imagine all the steps involved in a simple task. Suppose mother has asked you to buy vegetables. You have to divide the task into smaller ones. First one is going to the greengrocer shop. For buying vegetables, you need to move out of the house. Number 2, picking up the vegetables you want. Mama has told you to pick out specific vegetables. And then you need to pay for them. That is, you need to pay money for them. And after that, you buy vegetables and come back home. So these all steps are involved. Then you have to subdivide these tasks into smaller tasks. For example, going to the greengrocer shop. First thing you have to keep in mind that take a bag for the vegetables. And also you need to pay money for the vendor. So you need to take money. After that, you start from your house. That is, you go out of your house. Walk down the street. You need to walk down the road. Either turn left or either turn right. Walk down the street. Cross the road. Enter greengrocer shop. Each of these smaller tasks can again be divided further into even smaller tasks. Try to do that choosing any one of the above steps. Thus, we see that computers are smarter than men. But it is men who do the difficult job of making them smart enough. Computers are smart, but it is the man who is doing the difficult job, the important job of making the computer smart by setting all the programs in it. So the next time you play a game on a computer or watch a video or obtain some information, think of the men who put in so many efforts to make it all possible. So next time when you sit in front of a computer, you should always think about the great men who has invented the computer and who are making the computer a smarter object. I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you.